Welcome back to your chef channel. Today we have a delightful recipe that's popular among children and adults alike. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with our mouth-watering sausage and egg ketchup fried rice. This dish is a surefire hit with its irresistible combination of savoury sausages, fluffy egg, and a touch of ketchup-infused rice. Whether you're looking to please picky eaters or simply craving a comforting and satisfying meal, this recipe is bound to bring smiles to the faces of children and the young at heart. So let's cook and embark on a culinary adventure that's sure to become a family favorite. First, you need to cook the rice for this recipe. If you want to see the tips for cooking jasmine rice, you can click this link for cooking jasmine rice in 5 steps. Cut the sausage into small pieces. If sausage is not available, you can substitute with ham, chicken sausage, vegetarian sausage, or minced beef. Dice the onion into small pieces, and this is a stir-fried rice ingredient. If making spaghetti, the onion would be sliced into strips. Chop the spring onions into small pieces. Beat it lightly before adding them to the pot. This helps to create a soft and fluffy texture once they are combined with the rice. When frying the onions, aim for a gentle golden color. This helps to enhance their sweetness and add complexity to the overall taste of the dish. Add the sausage and saute until fragrant aside. Some recipes mix the egg and rice together before stir-frying them, resulting in a visually appealing dish with a golden hue. However, I believe this method may cause the egg to lose their aroma. That's why I prefer to stir-fry the eggs separately before adding the rice. Pour in the beaten eggs and gently stir them until they are halfway cooked. Add the rice to the pot. Adding the rice too early will make it too moist, while adding it too late will result in overcooked egg that won't stick to the rice. Stir-fry the rice until it becomes relatively dry. Mix in the sauteed onions and sausage. Avoid stirring the rice too vigorously during the frying process to maintain the individual gains in gritty and prevent them from sticking together. Be cautious not to apply too much force while stirring, as it can turn the rice into a mushy texture. Then add ketchup. Adjust the amount of ketchup according to your preference for sweetness and tanginess. Start with a small amount and gradually add more as needed, ensuring not to overpower the other flavors in the dish. Since adding ketchup will moisten the rice again, continue stir-fry until it becomes dry. Add soy sauce. The caramelization of sugar in the ketchup adds a delightful sweetness and double flavor to the dish when heated, resulting in a more aromatic and appetizing fried rice. Finally, transfer the fried rice to a serving dish. Garnish with chopped spring onions to add a refreshing and aromatic touch. And there you have it, our sausage and egg ketchup fried rice. By using freshly cooked rice and infusing it with caramelization of ketchup, we've created a dish that bursts with aroma and delight. Remember, it's not about expensive and fresh ingredients. The rice takes the spotlight in this recipe. So the next time you're craving fried rice, give this recipe a try and experience the perfect balance of flavors. Don't forget to subscribe to Weird Chef channel for exciting culinary adventure. Happy cooking!